$2,016.35, and $1,989.32. And this is the amount people have made on TikTok's rewards program. And I'm going to show you a niche that's unsaturated that you guys can start creating videos right now for free. And you've probably seen these kinds of videos, the mini workers in different scenes. These have thousands of views. Now instead of the workers themselves, we're going to put tiny kittens because you guys know a lot of people absolutely love cats. First, we're going to go on ChatGPT and write the following prompt. Create image prompts of tiny kittens making food. Please make it colorful and in detail so I can create images. And here are the results. And now we're going to copy one of the image prompts. And then we're going to go on Leonardo AI, then click on Create New, and then paste the image prompt that ChatGPT created for us. Make sure to keep the fine-tuned model to Leonardo Phoenix 1.0, and change the image dimensions to 9:16. And then click on Generate. Keep in mind, Leonardo AI does give you 150 free daily tokens that you guys can use to create your images and videos, and they renew every day. And here's how our image looks like. Now we're going to convert it into a video. Click on Motion, then keep the motion strength to 2, and then click on Generate. And here's how our video looks like. And now we're going to download our video by clicking on the arrow on the upper right hand corner. And then since we have the Leonardo AI watermark, we're just going to remove it on our camera roll. And now go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that you created on Leonardo AI. And you can also add transitions in between your images and videos. And if you wanted to add text in your video, all you need to do is click on the text button and then click on Add Text. We're just going to write cat world with an emoji, and I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. And you can also change the style and color of the text on your video. And then after finishing your video and you want to download it, all you need to do is click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner, and then your video is finished and then it's ready to post. And thanks for watching!